Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe that the holiday season is almost here. So today we're gonna be painting a classic Christmas tree ornament, and these are the material and supplies that you will need for this project. First, I'm gonna use white acrylic to paint the background, and I added a tiny little bit of light blue, and just make sure that you blend them nicely on the surface. Work in quick brush stroke. It will help to smooth out all the marks, and pay attention to the edge to make sure that all even. You want to kind of like brush toward the end like this. It will help to smooth it out as well. And now you want to leave it dry for a couple of minutes. I have here two different shades of green. So first I'm gonna use my swirl brush, pick up the dark green and start drawing a line straight down, just like this. Next, we will add a little rectangle shape to the base and make sure that we will color it in, just like this. Pick up a little bit more green and start adding the branches to the side of your Christmas tree. And don't worry if your brush strokes are uneven. It doesn't have to be perfect. It actually will make it look more natural. And we'll do this on both sides, pulling your brush sideways and to the bottom. Remember to add several more layers to your Christmas tree to give it a little bit more volume. Also pay attention to the overall shape of the Christmas tree. It should look like a big elongated triangle with a thinner top and bigger bottom. Now moving on to the next step, we will pick up the lighter green and basically do the same thing again. So we are adding more branches to the tree and just kind of let it blend a little bit to the dark green like this. Now I just continue to add more layers and pull my brush to different direction, to the left, to the right, to the middle. Now I'm gonna come back to the dark green and add a couple more branches on top, just like this. Now we want the painting to get dry a little bit before moving on to the next step. After cleaning and drying my brush, I would pick up a little bit of yellow acrylic and start drawing a star on the top of my Christmas tree. Of course, you can use any color for the star. I'm just using yellow right here. This yellow is a little bit light, so I have to add a couple more layers just to get to the color that I really wanted. Let's pick up a little bit more yellow, and then I just, use the tip of my brush to add all the dots to make the Christmas lights. If you have a dotting tool, go ahead and use it because your dot's gonna come out better. But I just go ahead and use the tip of my brush with very gentle pressure because I'm so used to it. Now just repeat the process with other colors until your Christmas tree is full of all the beautiful and brilliant lights like this. And the next step is to add the falling snow, which is so much fun. So you basically just do all the dotting with white acrylics all over your ornaments. On the bottom right here, I kind of like paint some snow on the ground. I'm just gonna switch to the big brush to make it faster. And I actually have a tiny amount of blue on my big brush just to give a little bit of shadow to my snow right here, because sometimes the white is just so light on this pastel blue and it's hard for you to see. To make it even more interesting, let's add some snow on the branches. And I'm just keep adding a few more patches of snow here and there, just a little bit, because I don't want to cover up all the Christmas lights. Alright, I think our Christmas tree looks pretty good now, so I will just let it dry for a few more minutes. And I'm using a red play ribbon to thread it through the ornament so we can hang it on the tree. There are so many Christmas ornament ideas that I want to share with you so you can make them at home for this holiday season. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to paint in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial so far, and if you head to my Etsy shop, woodtalesofjulie.etsy.com, you will find the DIY kit that has all the supplies and material that you need to make this ornament. And it also comes with an ebook that show you how to do several other ornament projects for the holidays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.